Yoli the Adventurous Seagull. Yoli was not like the other seagulls who were content staying near the shore. She had a heart full of curiosity and wings eager to take her to new places. From the moment she learned to fly, she promised herself that she would travel far and wide, discovering the world beyond the waves. Her journey began with a daring flight to a bustling harbor where she tasted her first crunchy fish taco. From there, she soared over golden deserts, emerald forests, and towering cities, each place adding to her ever-growing collection of trinkets: a smooth river stone, a tiny bell from a market stall, a delicate feather from an exotic bird. Along the way, Yoli made friends of all kinds: a wise old owl who taught her the constellations, a playful dolphin who showed her secret ocean currents, and even a kind street artist who painted her in a beautiful mural. Every adventure brought a new lesson, a new taste, and a new treasure. And though she never stayed in one place for too long, Yoli knew that wherever she flew, the world was full of wonders waiting to be discovered.